chart. The M chart is a package manager. It's a package manager for reusable components deployment. Yeah, it's meant for your reusable component deployment. And also I included the customization values values files for environmental specific configuration. Here you can see it on my screen here. And I implemented the dependency management, which is used to automate dependency resolution. If you also see, yeah, we have the here we'll be moving on to auto scaling, which is the HPA, the horizontal pod autoscaler. Yeah, it is used to automatically scale based on CPU stroke memory usage. Yeah, and also autoscaler is there too for node level scaling for resource optimization. And also we have the custom metrics for application specific scaling triggers. Yeah, used to scale to automatically scale automatically scale triggers. So and also we're moving on to the security implementation. The implementation container security with containing the image scanning, which is where I actually make use of Trivy. The Trivy is integrated for vulnerability detection. And also I implemented the base image optimization for minimal base image for reduced attack surface. So and also I integrated the registry security with the GHCR authentication and for authentication and access control. So here now we'll be moving out to the runtime security, whereby I implemented the network policy to restrict communication rules, and I also implemented the RBAC, which is the rule-based access controls the rule-based access control for Kubernetes resources. And I also included security management, I mean secret management here to secure storage for sensitive information. And here we come to the development tools and utilities. Here I included the make file. The make file is meant to simplify command interface here. It helps me to the make file is meant to install all the necessary all the necessary tools that I need to make the work. So I said I actually use the makefile to simplify command interface for common operations. And also here I included the script automation. The script automation is set up to maintain script. And also the tool installation. Yes, the makefile, like I said, I used it in installing all the necessary tools on my CLI. So it's used to the tool installation which is used to install automatic auto to automate auto is used to automate installation of required CLI tools. So here we'll be moving on to the testing framework, where I was able to integrate load testing. The load testing K6 was integrated for performance testing. Yeah, well, I actually integrated for performance testing and for also unit testing too. Unit testing for application level testing frameworks. The unit testing, we know what the unit testing does. It helps in catching bugs before it's before the workflow is deployed to wherever we want it to deploy to, maybe to your you're using your mini cube, you're using your EKS, you're using anything here. So the unit testing is meant to catch bugs, to catch attacks before before it's actually pushed to production. So now, the integration testing, the end-to-end is an end-to-end workflow validation, yeah, for integration testing here. So now we'll be moving on to configuration management, where I included the environment specific configs. Here I integrated the customized overlay to is meant to the customized overlay here is an environment that's specific for environment created for specific customizations. And I also integrated the config maps here, or for to app is an application configuration management. Yeah, the config map is an application configuration management here for the Kubernetes. And secrets too, I also included this I integrated a secure handling of sensitive data in this project. So the version control that I make use of is GitHub. Yeah, I make use of my GitHub, which is the version control, and the GitOps. We know the GitOps principles for, yeah, the GitHub principle. All configuration on stored in the Git. All my configuration was stored in the Git, and the branch was the main branch. Yeah, for production. Feature branches for development. And here, tagging is the reason why I actually use tagging is to release tagging for version management. And on my screen here, you see I'm showing you everything that I have actually done in this project. And currently, we'll be moving on to the monitoring and the alerting configuration for alert rules. There, here I set up a system health for the node, pod, and service health monitoring. I also integrated the application metrics here for custom application specific alert and resource utilization for my CPU, memory, and disk usage alert. And also, I made use of integrated my notification channels, which is the email alert for my Gmail integration for critical notifications. So, and also you can also, if you have a Slack here, you can also, I actually integrated the Slack configuration there. So you can also add your Slack via webhook. Yeah. So, and also here you have the alert manager configuration here, flexible for routing and grouping rules. So this is that about this project, and I hope with everything that I have done in this project, you understand and you fully get along with me. So in this project now, I've been able to fully automate GitOps workflow with Argo CD. I've been able to secure container image management here with GHCR, and I've also been able to comprehensively integrated the CI/CD pipeline with testing and security scanning, and I've also been able to integrate monitoring and observability for an end-to-end monitoring with Prometheus and Grafana, and I configured alerting with email notifications and also performance testing framework with K6. Also, I've been able to scale and also integrate reliability into this project by using the horizontal and vertical to scaling configuration. So, and also I've been able to integrate high availability setup for critical components. Yeah, and I've also been able to integrate the resource optimization through proper limit settings. Also, and I've been able to integrate security and compliance. We'll be able to automate security scanning with Rivi, yeah, to catch the vulnerabilities, and also I've been able to secure credential management. Also, I've been able to integrate the network isolation with Kubernetes network policy. Thank you for listening to me, and I'll be dropping the GitHub link to this video. Thank you.